this was completely impossible. So yeah, on the 2nd of March 2025, where's the address?
Asuntossa keittiö Hämeenpuisto 9.
Is it the address Hämeenpuisto 9 or?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. I hope we can get to this day because it's later. It's 5 floors. It was built in 1981 by Valmet. Chamber space 5850 and the capacity is 4,000 workers. It's one of the earliest with just Valmet after punch there.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it doesn't make it.
Yeah. Ni speedbike vai stand maintained by Suomi hissirakointi.
It was completely impossible to do something.
Yeah.
And it was also unknown.
Yeah. That's